Do you love loungewear? Today we're going to show you 6 different ways you can wear your loungewear, even if you're going to dress up like someone likes to. She won't be casual, already has her heels on.
I know, I actually took my stilettos off just so that I could
did
be
like
more
that.
casual.
I did like
It did
the
look good,
stilettos.
didn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll put it back on in a minute then.
Yeah.
All right, am I starting?
You start.
Yeah, look, I actually am too cold to take my t-shirt off, but hey, doesn't this look amazing? This is our Lust cami long sleeve. I don't know if we've still got them, but gee, it looks so good. Yeah, it looks so good here. It's grey with this brown colour. Have a look at this amazing fabric. It is what we call a washer finish, which means it's treated like a denim, but it's actually a cotton, and it's a brown tone because it has that brown underlayer under the black.
And mine's
there's
kind of
the
a
grey
navy.
version.
Oh, would you call this grey?
What do you call it?
Navy.
You're right. Sometimes we get confused.
You're going a bit colourblind.
Am I going?
She's
No.
only 70 and she finally, she's like, is that navy or black?
I'll tell you why. Because the lighting is crappy. That's why.
Okay.
Yep. Okay. Just thought I'd get that
Yeah.
out.
Same lighting in the room I'm in, but yeah. Anyway, navy. Greyish.
Could be grey.
Greyish.
Come on,
Greyish.
could be grey. Actually, put
it.
it next to navy and it looks grey. Put it next to grey and it looks navy.
Okay, fine.
Here's grey. Let's get up close so people know. See?
Look, it looks pretty navy. Yeah.
Oh, next to that it looks navy. Absolutely navy.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
And mine next to brown, because I'm about to put on some brown and you'll see what it looks like next to that.
Cool.
But look, I've done it with heels, but on anyone who's 6 foot tall, these are going to be shorter pants, you know? They're going to like be up there. Ankle length, which is amazing because that's where I prefer them to be. Look at that. Oh,
And they've got this little toggle.
Yeah, they've got a toggle that you can draw in.
Oh, yeah,
so
like
lucky you if you're a tall girl.
Yeah.
But because I'm a shorty, I have to come up with other ideas. See? Come up with other ideas. So what I've done is open them out and use them as a baggy pant over here so I look like I've got longer legs.
Yeah.
But what I want to show you is the fact that it looks, maybe I'm going to show you a few other bits before I get carried away. This is the vest. Awesome,
And that's
just
got a
as is.
drawstring too.
And that has a drawstring as well, right there. Look at that, with a little toggle. And you can pull it in and make it look more cash, really. Look at that.
Can I just show you how I like to wear it? Because I don't have the vest.
Well, I'm not going to wear it like that.
Well, I know. Can I show?
Sure. I was going to show first, but it's okay.
Well, you just said you're not going to wear it like that.
Well, I'm not going to wear it open like that. Is what I meant.
Okay.
This is how I'm going to wear it, how I have it on.
All right. Sorry.
We're not tuned in today. You know, not tuned in today. Did you just do that?
No, I went.
Oh. You know what I saw? Bunny ears. Anyway, so a front tuck, that's cute. Just like that. And I put my sports belt because, you know, it just makes it more sporty. But what I wanted to show you, this is what I meant when I said I wasn't going to wear it like that. So I was going to put a jacket over the top. And you can see.
Yeah, so you're wearing a vest like a top, really.
Wearing my vest like a top and putting this jacket. Oh, wow. Don't I look cool?
Yeah, you do look cool.
Cool outfit, yeah.
And if anyone also has this in the long line trench, that would actually
same
be
thing.
Just so cool.
It would look
as well.
amazing. So if you're living in I don't know, the UK, it's too hot to wear this jacket.
Is UK hot? Is UK hot? I don't think UK was ever hot.
It's never. Oh, don't say that. Somebody might be watching. I can't wear a coat right now. Somebody told me from the UK.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. They said, "What are you wearing a coat for? It's too hot."
Okay.
Down under in Aussie. Yeah. Okay. So this is a cool look. Very on trend for now and the future. This is really
I love
cool.
that.
Cool
I think
outfit,
it is
yeah.
cool. It is cool.
Yeah.
And now Faye's pants also come with a matching tee. So if you're not a vest girl or if you want all three, which
I will show you.
happens, we all
Can
know
I
that
show you
person.
now?
Yeah,
I'm
sure.
about to put it on.
Oh, okay, cool. Yeah, do you want to do what I did today? Put it over the top of your long sleeve top.
Oh, okay.
That's actually a thing.
That's not my outfit, but I shall do that right now while you're talking.
But it is a thing wearing a long sleeve tight top with a t-shirt on top. Although I went and dropped my son at childcare and the teacher was like, "You look about 12 today," and I'm like, I don't know if I was going for that, but thank you. I'll take it as a compliment. So I have on just the really simple t-shirt and pant. Now, I think that this is really great if you just want something really simple, really casual, like you're doing your mum thing on the weekend or you're just racing about, like, you know, all those really easy. You just want to throw something on it, matches, and it always looks really cool. Something about a set. We were talking about this at our influencer event on Saturday. And we were saying that there's something about a set that you just look really, really put together with no effort. See, it's a vibe.
It looks pretty good.
It looks cool, doesn't it?
It looks amazing.
And it's warm, so...
What if, would I wear the vest on top of this?
Nah.
Are you sure?
I will try it.
Oh,
I don't
too
mind the
much.
vest and the tee, but I don't know if I'd do it with the pants.
Yes,
Do you know what I mean?
I think that's a point. But in case somebody wants to see it as a, you know, I don't know, as an ensemble.
Well, you wouldn't then do it with the layer underneath. You're looking a bit like you need to go like to the bush.
Looking a bit bushy.
Like you need to go and, I don't know, shoot some animals or something. But
we don't shoot animals.
We don't
go and do mushroom foraging.
Yes, getting high on mushrooms.
Okay, I'll change this.
You know what I'm saying. Hey, we've got to be honest. If we can't be honest, then whatever. Anyway, so I've got the set. Now, if I wanted to look a little bit put together, I will show you with heels later in my next outfit. I've just popped on this grey blazer over the top. I'll put it on properly. And especially with a sneaker, I just think this looks really, you know, like you almost get the boss vibe, but you're still really casual. And I would do something like this on a flight, because getting a good flight outfit is really tricky, especially so you don't look like a crumpled mess at the end, and planes are freezing, so you always want to have something nice that you can pop over your arms, and then you've got something here that doesn't get all crumpled and, you know, all yucky, and it's super comfy. So that is my look. By the way, both Faye and I are wearing size 8s
in everything. Everything is size 8.
Including the pants, so that'll just give you a good idea of what they're like. Cool. Oh, okay, you've left your long sleeve under.
Oh, well.
It's a cool combo though. I
actually think it's very cool to wear it like this, but you do you. When you're in Melbourne, this is a cool look. And I'm wearing my stilettos now, my purple heels. I think they look all right. By the way, ladies, I've taken these pants up.
Too much?
No, I think they look good like this. Almost like a bit of a crop. Yeah, I want them a bit of a crop length.
I do like them.
No, that's what they're like, ankle length. I think they look really,
No, I like them. I just wasn't sure.
You weren't sure? Yeah, and again with this, I am actually going to add my leather jacket. I don't know why I didn't get a different jacket, but this is what
I love that though.
I think, you know, because you can dress it up beautifully. Look at that. Have a look at this, Lauren. Look. I just need to add a belt, I think.
Oh yeah, I love that. I
actually
love that.
So your silky baggy pants. I've got to add a belt. Got to add a belt. Which belt? I'm going to go back to the logo belt. You know, I don't know about you, but I can't live without my logo belt.
No, I can't.
It's just too
because when you want something that's like, it's not too overpowering in your outfit, but it still says something. I think that's a really good one. Some of them are too blingy. Yeah, well, you're right, but I don't want to go for bling here, but I want to go for casual mixed in with this really dressy pant. Casual luxury.
So it's luxury down below, but all the way up the top. The belt, the t-shirt, the jacket is one look, and then the pant, the stilettos is the other look, and I think that is what makes it really sensational.
Yeah, I love that.
Yeah, this is such a cool look.
Yeah, they're all saying love, love, love.
Thank you. Because I just thought it was that.
Yeah. Do you know what Sterling did on the weekend?
Oh no, what did he do?
My son, he's like, everybody clap for me!
Oh, yeah. He was riding it. I know, you're not supposed to allow this, but I'm the nana that just does everything that they want to do, you know, I'm one of those. He was on his scooter, he was running around the dining room table, and then when he went one circle, he said, yeah, everyone clap me. I feel like that's what I need today. I need to clap.
They clap.
Yeah. Okay. So good look. And also what I was going to say was mixing some of these sensational colours together. Like this is a brown look. I mean, I know that is yeah, it's brown. It's brown.
It is brown.
That's brown. But having this contrast colour, and then I went for purple shoes on purpose because I think they're cool rather than doing
brown.
Yeah,
rather than doing brown. I agree.
Doing brown. And not only that, you could do this with sneakers and look just as good.
Yeah. This was my outfit. I'm actually going to take the blazer off because I don't love it. It doesn't feel like me, but I've just taken it all in. I feel like a bit swamped or something.
Let me see if you're swamped. You're actually not, but I would put a belt. I think that's...
Yeah, maybe that's what I need. Okay, hold on. Do you have all the belts?
I think it would... I'm sure I've got every belt under the sun on my side. Yes, that's what you need. That logo belt.
Back to the logo belt.
Yeah, I did.
So,
hang on. When in doubt, pop on the logo belt. Don't you think?
Yeah, and mine is actually the blue one, which matches my outfit perfectly. Hold on. I just needed something to tie it together. So I'm just wearing the pants of my casual lounge look, and then I thought, okay, well, what about if you need to look a little bit more put together? And there's a whole trend, as you guys know, of mixing your casual with your dressy, or mixing your loungewear with your sort of more business, corporate, classic pieces, and that's exactly this. So the only casual piece I've got on is the pant, and what a gorgeous kind of wide leg pant in itself. It's just got a gorgeous shape. And if you are taller and they happen to be the ankle, see on me, they're a bit long, so it's hard to see, but for most people they'll be there, and I think that that is really fun as well. If you just wanted to do something like that.
I think that's cool.
I just will take the blazer off to show you guys this combination as well. I've got on our brick blogger in, I think it's the cornflower. I only came in last week and I think we didn't show it, but I think that's really sexy to have with that wash down look. This also looks really beautiful with denim, and you can see that I've got all the different blues, a silver heel, so I'm kind of in that really cool, those cool colouring, almost a tonal outfit actually. Yeah, I love this.
I love
what
it.
Have you got? Oh, this is like, save the best to last.
Yeah, this is amazing, but I don't think the belt, have a look.
Yeah.
Belt doesn't go to the shoes. It goes with this, but doesn't go to the shoes, and I don't want to put sneakers on.
No, I think get rid of the belt. No, even though I don't mind it. I think a black...
Something more simple
or goldish. Yes.
What about, hang on, we're not going to give up just yet, ladies, just hang 5. What about this belt?
Yeah, I think that could look good.
This might be better. It's just all too much, so I'm going to go with this belt. So I love the vibe of, okay, let me make this smaller. Love the vibe of the t-shirt with the bias skirt. I think that's such a look in itself. Yeah, if you make this really small, and then you can just bring the belt out to whatever size you are, wherever.
Oh, yes, good
point. Yep.
Yeah, so make it small, and then when you're trying to do it up, you're just pulling it to size. Is that what you mean?
Yeah, that's exactly what I mean. I don't know what I'm doing here though. Here we go. That's it. That's got it. Yes, I think that's much better. Don't you think? Have a look.
Yeah, that's beautiful.
And then just
I love that, actually.
Would you still have those sleeves there, or would you just do that?
No, I think it's better without the sleeves.
Yeah, I think it's better without the sleeves.
But I don't hate it.
No, I don't hate it either. I'd probably wear it like that myself.
Actually, Julia, don't mean to be name dropping, guys, but Julia Morris, who was here at our influence event on Saturday, didn't she look cool? She had this thing, the long sleeve thing in red, underneath.
Yeah, and then she just showed it.
Yeah,
and she said that she loved doing that.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is just with the t-shirt, which in itself is a fabulous vibe. But I'm going to do this because I can't help myself. I need to zhuzh up. And look spectacular, make an entrance, do a bit of a floaty thing. And here I am, look at that. Have a look, Laura.
Sorry. Oh yeah, wow.
Good.
Yeah, that's gorgeous.
This is quite spectacular.
Yeah, that's really gorgeous. I love that.
I almost look like Sylvie, but I need to show a bit of sexiness.
Sylvie, yeah.
It's not bad for a t-shirt, look.
Yeah, I think it's really nice.
Sylvie.
I think that's a really nice way to wear it.
You look amazing.
Yeah, I've done, this is very Kim K.
Yeah, Kim K.
Like, this is exactly.
Definitely, and J-Lo. Yeah, come on, sporty pants.
I don't know what J-Lo wears, I don't really look at her.
Well, nowadays, I don't know what she wears either, but last time I looked at her, she looked like that. It must be about 20 years
Or
ago.
Sporty Spice.
Sporty Spice, that'll do.
What was I going to say? Now, someone had asked a question about the sizing. Everything's really true to size, but we just mentioned the pants, perhaps the waist. It is super stretchy, the whole thing's stretchy, it's really comfy, but the waist feels a little bit smaller maybe than some of our other pants. So if you're...
It's just the elastic.
Yeah.
The elastic is holding, whereas a lot of our other elastics are...
a bit sloppier.
Yeah, like a sloppier stretch or something.
So
it does measure perfectly the size though, but just same.
Yeah, so if you in
You're
between sizes at the midsection, that's when perhaps you want to size up. But otherwise it's really
Go your
not.
size.
Just
Perfect.
do whatever. And do what you most commonly do because they're very sizeless. Anyway, I'm going to do this look. I love it with the shrug. I love it with the cami. I love it all tucked in. It looks so cool. I love it with the sneaker, and I actually also love it with the heel. So I can't decide.
Yes, I love it all.
Yeah, very
Actually,
cute.
It's a fantastic range of casual that you can dress up, really. That's what it's about, isn't it?
Well, it's a bit elevated casual.
Elevated casual, we love
Yes.
that. We call it
Yeah.
Lux casual.
Lux fantasy.
Lux casual,
Yeah.
yeah.
All right, guys. Thank
That's
you
it for
so
today.
much for watching. We will see you again tomorrow at 4 o'clock.
Bye for now.
Bye.